Looking for the best chicken coop for 10 chickens? A good coop should do more than just look beautiful. For a flock of 10 hens, you need the right balance of space, safety, ventilation, easy cleaning, and daily comfort. This kind of walk-in backyard coop gives your chickens room to move, rest, eat, and lay eggs without feeling crowded. Space is one of the most important things to think about before choosing a chicken coop. Keeps the flock active and makes everyday chicken keeping much easier. When hens have room to spread out, they stay calmer, cleaner, and healthier. A walk-in coop is one of the best choices for a 10-chicken flock. It makes feeding, cleaning, egg collecting, and checking on your chickens much easier. Strong wooden framing and easy maintenance panels. Cleaning becomes much easier when the coop is designed with access in mind. A large clean-out door allows you to remove old bedding, add fresh pine shavings, and reach the floor without struggling. For a 10-chicken coop, this is very important because more chickens means more bedding, more droppings, and more regular maintenance. A coop that is easy to clean is a coop you will actually keep clean. Ventilation is another feature that many beginners overlook. A coop for 10 chickens needs fresh airflow to help remove moisture, odor, and stale air. Feeder and water replacement can make a big difference in daily flock care. For 10 hens, use a feeder long enough so several chickens can eat at the same time without crowding. The waterer should sit on a stable, level surface and stay easy to refill. Good spacing helps reduce mess, stress, and competition inside the run. One of the most common mistakes is buying a coop that looks good online but is too small in real life. A cramped coop can lead to stress, mess, pecking problems, and daily maintenance issues. For 10 chickens, space is not optional. A properly sized coop gives your flock room to live naturally and makes chicken keeping much easier for you. The best chicken coop for 10 chickens is not just the biggest coop or the most expensive one. It is the coop that gives your hens enough space, protects them from predators, keeps them dry, and makes daily care easier for you. If you are building or buying a coop, focus on comfort, safety, airflow, and easy maintenance first.
Subscribe to Chicken Coop Shop for more beautiful coop ideas and homestead inspiration.